What up, YouTube? I'm back at it again. Today, the problem that we're going to be looking at, or the digital SAT math problem of the day, is going to be question number 21. And the question asks, a circle in the XY plane has a diameter with endpoints 2, 4, and 214. An equation of this circle is um, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 9 squared is equal to r squared, where r is a positive constant. What is the value of r, right? What is the value of r? So the value of r can be determined by looking at the diameter of this circle, which they've given us endpoints for, right? Or the points here, the two endpoints. So we can determine the distance between those 2 points, and that should give us the diameter. And once we find that diameter, we know that to get the radius from that diameter, we just divide it by 2, right? And so that's what we're gonna do here, right? And the way you get the distance between 2 points is to use the distance formula, right? So the distance formula goes somewhere along like this, where use we can label this perhaps as maybe P2. We can name it as P2, meaning point 2. We can name this as P1, denoting this as maybe the first point here. So the components, we need to align the components, right? So we need to subtract x's from x's and y's from y. So that's what we need to keep in mind here. So you take the 2 from point 2, and then you subtract it. You subtract the 2 from point 1, and then you square it, and you add it to the y component, right? So the y component would be 14 minus 4, right, squared. And then, so that's what you have. Well, 2 minus 2 is just going to be 0. So this would just be 0. And you have 14 minus 4 would just be 10, right? Mind you, we still have to square it here. So we do that, and we square it, we get 100. So 100, but we're still within the square root, right? So it looks something like this. Well, the square root of 100 is just going to be 10. So now we have the diameter, right? To go from the diameter to the radius, we just have to divide the diameter by 2, right? The diameter divided by 2. And so we take this 10 and we divide it by 2, and that should give us a 5, right? And so this 5 here would be our radius. And so if we're solving for radius, then the radius in this case would just be what, 5. And there you have it, guys, the SAT digital math problem of the day. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and be on the lookout for more great videos like these. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. If you have any constructive feedback, do make sure to leave them in the comments as well. I enjoy making these videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them as much as I do making them. I hope to see you in my next video. See ya.